There's been a lot of buzz about DJI possibly replacing their mini-series with the rumored foldable drone, the DJI Flip. However, this new image I found on X, shared by OCDLV, puts all those rumors to rest. It looks like the next big thing is actually the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Today, I'll be breaking down everything I've learned so far about this upcoming drone and sharing my personal expectations for what it might bring to the table. Take a look at this leaked photo. This isn't just another drone from the previous mini-series. It clearly resembles a mini drone but with some intriguing new features. Notably, the image reveals what seems to be a significant upgrade to its obstacle avoidance system. Between the usual obstacle avoidance sensors, you can spot two additional black sensors that stand out. Industry experts are speculating these could be LiDAR sensors, which would be a game-changer for the mini-series. If true, this upgrade could deliver more precise obstacle detection and significantly enhance flight safety. Now, let's talk about the camera. From the leaked image, we can see the familiar single-lens camera housed in a 3-axis gimbal. However, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring a major upgrade to its sensor. While both the Mini 3 and 4 Pro feature a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K resolution, and even the older Mini 2 offered similar resolution at lower frame rates, DJI seems ready to take a big leap. Reports from popular forums suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a larger 1-inch sensor. This upgrade would not only allow shooting in up to 6K resolution at 30 frames per second, but also significantly improve performance in low-light and landscape scenarios. Expect sharper details, more vivid colors, and an overall richer image quality. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to introduce AI-powered cinematic modes and support for 10-bit D-Log-M, giving creators more control over color grading and making it perfect for pro-level video editing. If this turns out to be true, the Mini 5 Pro could easily redefine what's possible in a compact foldable drone. According to Jasper Ellens, this summer we will see a new Mini with LiDAR and stronger motors. This hints that DJI may unveil the Mini 5 Pro in the summer of 2025. His mention of stronger motors is particularly exciting, as it suggests we could see improved motor efficiency. With this upgrade, the Mini 5 Pro might deliver better flight performance and longer flight times, all while maintaining the 249-gram weight limit to stay under regulatory thresholds. If DJI manages to enhance flight time without requiring a larger battery, it will be a remarkable feat of engineering for the Mini series. The current Mini 4 Pro only offers 2 GB of internal storage, which is far too limited for modern needs. Ideally, DJI should include at least 8 GB of internal storage, allowing users to shoot even if they forget to bring an SD card. It's a small but crucial upgrade that would add a lot of convenience, especially for impromptu shoots, or those unexpected moments when you're out of storage. Coupled with improved motors for better efficiency, these upgrades could make the Mini 5 Pro a truly well-rounded drone for enthusiasts and professionals alike. For anyone looking for a beginner-friendly drone packed with powerful features in a compact size, the upcoming Mini 5 Pro might just be the perfect choice. With a larger sensor for stunning image quality, precise object tracking for solo travelers, and an advanced obstacle avoidance system to keep your flights crash-free, this drone is shaping up to be DJI's most exciting release yet. It's everything you could want in a portable drone, and more. What features are you most excited to see in this highly anticipated drone? Let me know in the comment what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, leaks, and reviews. Stay tuned, there's more to come as we follow the journey of this incredible drone.